Hello students, so today we will see some questions from exercise 2.4. Okay, so here what they have said, suppose a plant has height 1.75 feet and it grows up 0.5 feet each month. Okay, so find the height after 7 months, make a table of values for t varying from 0 to 10 months and show how the height increases every month. Find an expression that relates h and t and explain why it represents linear growth. So what it is saying, there is a plant whose initial height is 1.75 feet and now that plant grows every month by 0.5 feet. Okay, so we have to calculate the height of the feet after 7 months. Here we have to create the table which shows the height increasing of the tree from 0 to 10 months, and we have to represent month by t. And next is we have to give the expression which shows the linear growth of the plant's height. Okay, so now come. Here we will say so the month is t and the initial height is h. So we can show the relationship like this. Okay, let's put h here and t here. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. At initial height is at 0th month is 1.75 feet. At first month the height will increase by 0.5 feet. That means 1.75 plus 0.5. How much it is? 5. 2.25. Then in next month this will again increase 0.5. So I can say 1.5 plus 0.5 for the second month, that means 1. That will be 2.75. And in this order we have to calculate the height. So we can calculate the height after 7 months. Rather than adding this 0.5 7 times, we can say height at 7 months is equal to 1.75 plus 0.5 into 7. Okay, now you will get the answer. What is the height after 7 months? Then make the table of the values. Here it is the table which shows the increasing order of the height every month. So let's calculate some more. 2.75 at third month, what will be? 3.25. Next month it will be 3.75. Okay, in this order, and now you can make a graph of it because they have asked us to create the graph. So if I say if I take this is the height of the tree and this is the t, that means the month. So from 0, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th and so on, and the height is 1.75. So you can take a scale of 0.5. So 1.75, then 2.25, then 3.25, 2.75. In this order you can create a graph and mark the values here, and then you can create the graph. So in this way you can see that this is linear growth, and this because this graph is increasing, so that's why it is a linear growth. And always remember, while making a graph you have to write the coordinates here. So like it will be 3.3, 2.75, otherwise you will lost your marks. Okay, so you have to write every coordinate which you have put here. So I hope this is clear to all of you. Thank you. So next is question number 4. A telecom company recharges rupees 600 for a certain recharge scheme. This prepaid balance is reduced by 15 rupees each day after the recharge. So first question is, write an equation that models the remaining balance after using the scheme for X number of days. Explain why it is a linear decay. Explain how many days will balance run out. And the third is, make a table of values for X varying from 1 to 10 days. Show how the balance Bx reduces with time. So एक कंपनी है जो कि इनिशियल रिचार्ज देती है 600 रुपीज़ का और हर दिन उसका रिचार्ज 15 रुपीज़ कम हो जाता है. ठीक है, तो हमें इक्वेशन बतानी है जो कि रिप्रेजेंट करेगी रिमेनिंग बैलेंस आफ्टर यूजिंग द स्कीम फॉर एक्स डेज. सो क्या बनेगी इसकी? टोटल अमाउंट इज 600. ओके, and this amount is reducing by 15 rupees each day. So 600 minus 15 first day पर, 600 minus 15 into 15 into 2 next day पर, and so on. So let's make a table since we have to create the table also. So let's see, 1 to 10 डेज का हमें टेबल क्रिएट करना है. B is the balance, X is the number of day. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is again same as question number 1. वहां पर क्या था? लीनियर ग्रोथ था और यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? डिके हो रहा है. दैट मीन्स हमारी जो इक्वेशन है वो माइनस में है, वहां पर एडिशन हो रहा था. ओके, सो फर्स्ट पे है 600. सो फर्स्ट डे 600 माइनस 15. 600 माइनस 15 इज 585. नेक्स्ट डे अगेन 585 माइनस 15. दिस इज अगेन 570. Next minus 15. 555. And so on. In this way you can the table is created and you can calculate for 10 number of days. Now they have asked us कि x नंबर ऑफ डेज के बाद कितना वो होगा, कितना अमाउंट होगा. तो हमारी बैलेंस की इक्वेशन क्या होगी? बैलेंस इज बी एक्स इज इक्वल टू 600 माइनस 15 इंटू एक्स. एक्स इज द नंबर ऑफ डेज, balance after x number of days, and 600 is the initial amount, या initial recharge you can say. So in this way, this is first is done, third is done. After how many days will balance run out? After how many days this balance will be 0? So you can do one thing, balance equals to 0. If we say balance equals to 0 equals to 600 माइनस 15x. 15x इधर चला जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा 15x इक्वल टू 600 एंड देन 15 4 जा 60. दैट मीन्स आफ्टर 40 days दिस बैलेंस विल बी 0. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज they have asked us the why it represent linear decay. Now let's put this into a graph. This will represent your balance and this will represent your number of days. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. इधर बैलेंस इज इनिशियली चलेगा 600 से एंड देन इट विल कम इन नेगेटिव 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500, 550 and then 600. So let's put these points. 0 at day पर हमारा अमाउंट है 600. 0 at day पर अमाउंट 600. First coordinate. Next day पर अमाउंट is 585. 585 is somewhere here. Next day पर 570. 570 is again somewhere here. Next is 555. 555 at fourth day is somewhere here. When you put these points on a graph, you will see there will be a straight line which is in decreasing order. And since it is in decreasing order, so it is showing us the linear decay. This is called linear decay. In earlier question we saw linear growth. Now, question number 2 and question number 3, both are based on this question number 1 and question number 4. So क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 एंड 3 आप अपने आप करेंगे. इफ़ यू फेस एनी इश्यूज आप कमेंट सेक्शन में मेरे को बताइए, फिर हम उस पर भी वीडियोस बनाते हैं. ओके, थैंक यू.